In this video, we will learn how to change language in Instagram account. So let's start. Open your Instagram account, and here you can see I open my Instagram accounts. Go to the left hand side and just drag below over here and just click on the more option. Then click on the settings, and in settings just drag below, and you can see here some group mention your app and media, your families. So, and for professional more info and support what you see. So your app and media group have a second option language. Just select it and you can see the all language here. So select the language those you want. So just search the Hindi language and you can see the Hindi language. So I just click on it and you can see the full all Instagram is converted in Hindi language. You can see the home, search, reels, message, notifications. So banai. So this is a way you can change the language. Same as I show you again. Just click on this more option or then settings. Okay. Just drag below. Okay. And here in आपके app or media, click on the bhasha and search here the English. Click on the English. That's it. The language is changed here. So this is a way you can change the language of Instagram account easily. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.